again, everybody. Harry Boxer, the technical trader at thetechtrader.com. It's Wednesday, February the 12th. These are the charts of the day. Kind of a mixed day on Wall Street, but a lot of stocks we're following did well. Take a look at AIFF, which yesterday exploded on big volume. Today had a nice follow-through going from under 8 to nearly 15, finishing 1405 up 565. 67% gain on a mere 112 million shares. The stock is extended at resistance. If you get a punch to the upside, you could even see 17 or 18 or whatever, but may need to back and fill and relax, consolidate in this zone. ANAB exploded, first dipping down to 11, then ripping to 21 and change, finishing 1606. That was up 368 or 30% on positive drug news, trading 16.7 million. I believe the breakout today was significant, but I need to see it get back above. Right now, the targets are 18 and 22 on a rebound. Apps exploded last week, continues to push hard. The earnings report was terrific. The breakaway gap was important technically, and then it took out a double top as well. My target now, about 7.5, 3/4. BABX, the tracking stock for BABA, broke out of a coil last week. It's gone up 4 days in a row, 5 days in a row now, from 21 to 31, and looks to me like it could extend even further. The all-time high reached here is just above at about 33. That's not the all-time high, it's the multi-year high. If we can get through that, we might see a run into the 40 range. BBAI in the AI area, really fantastic chart. A former swing trade of ours, recently run from 3.5 to 993, nearly tripling. Today, an engulfing bullish reversal bar, first dipping to 755 and then ripping near 10. The close was very high. I'm looking for a move to 12 and 15 now on momentum. CAPR woke up today, late in the day. Take a look, and ran from 1340 up to 1550 and backed off a little. But I think this might be an important day for it. The volume wasn't terrific at 1 million, but good enough. If I can get it up through, say, 1620, I think we're broken back out. Today's close was the first time above the 50-day moving average convincingly, going back to when it broke down here in early December. So watching this one carefully, I think we could get a run to the high teens, 19 target. CFLT broke out, and it really did so with a spike on volume of 24 million shares, one of the biggest volumes we've ever seen in the stock. And a clean breakout across key resistance here. Right now, I'm looking for this stock to trend probably towards 40, 42. EH exploded. Now it has for now a week after breaking out of the base right there. It's gone from 1642 to today's spike from 20 to 25 range and finishing 2507 near the high for the day going away. Very strong move. You can see the intraday chart showing a 1 minute ascending bull coil. Your next target is 27.5 roughly. And that's what I'd be looking for going forward as early as tomorrow. We'll see if we get a strong opening or not. Great chart. Should be a swing probably. Been saying that for a week. GILD, important drug news, breakaway gap, gapped from yesterday's close of 96, opened 102, got up as high as 104.71, finished 103.14, up 7%. And it looks to me like obviously the coil had broken here, the pullback retest held support, and now we're trending. I'm looking for 110 and 120. GRAL, new all-time post-IPO high. You can see the base to break out in the rising channel, and it's a strong one. Today gaining 20% on 2 million shares. Thinly traded stock could rip even further, mid-40s. GRRR broke out of a wedge a week ago, continues to push. It's right at the spike high that we reached back on the 30th of December when it reached 25.67. Today's high, 25.45. Let's see if we can get through here and then run into the low 30s. HSAI, tech trader swing, pop, wedge, pop, a pennant, rising channel. Recent high near 20, closed 1839 today, up 2%. But the problem is, not the problem is, but the underlying technicals, the angle of ascent, tell me we're not done yet. 22.5 next target. LEU in the nuclear energy group today reversed with the engulfing reversal bar from 110 to 123 range, finished 120.5, up 6.5, and you can see this angle of ascent tells us a breakout occurred today. If we get through here, we may see 135, even 150. Lightbridge, another nuclear energy related stock, spiked today and had a bullish engulfing strong reversal bar from 1030 to 1490. Finished a penny off the high, up 405 at 37%, going away target 18. NNE in the nuclear energy group at an apex of a wedge, may have reversed today, looking for 42 and 48. OKLO, another member of that group, extensive and beautiful chart, tech trader swing. I'm now looking for a retest and take out of 59 and run into the 69 area. PBAI exploded out of a wedge yesterday, pulled back, and today had a beautiful follow through. 9 to 10, finished 10.08, 4 cents off the high, up 134, 15% gain. This is the highest level in this stock in a long time, 4 years. Now I'm looking for 14.5, 3/4. The ETF for Palantir, the tracking stock with a big gap a week ago and now an extensive run. I would say key short-term support is right there at today's low, 53. We get us up nearly above 62.5 tomorrow. We may see 70. QBTS, the quantum stocks are stirring near the apex. I want to see if this thing gets an upside penetration. First resistance is 665. If we get through that, we should test 710. Then you have something that could lead to a high of 11 or better. RDW in the aerospace group, red wire, broke out of a wedge today, looking for a move to 30. SWTX broke out of an inverse head and shoulders or rounding base a couple of days ago, pulled back yesterday, and then resumed the advance today, looking for 64 and 70 going on next. TSII continues to press as tech traders swing. Reversal bar off the trend line, forming a coil. If we break out of the coil, once we get to 1660, 20 is your target. VNet in the Chinese sector, very strong rising channel. Reached the top of that channel today. I'm not featuring many Chinese stocks because they're so extended, but boy, they're looking a lot better here, don't they? Let's just say that if it accelerates, 14 is your target. And finally, XLO went ballistic today on a major deal. It literally went from 68 cents to $2, back off to $1.44 near the close. Keep an eye and see if there's a follow-through, as it only traded 209 million shares. Monstrous volume for a breakout. But you can see it got up to the April 24, 2024 high. If we break through here, the next target is 3, thereabout. So let's see what happens with this one. And that's it for tonight and the charts of the day video. Good night.